Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this Valentine's Day pink, very bold look. So if you'd like to learn, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I recently got this item in the mail, so I'm going to try it out, and I forgot to bring a brush down. So we're just going to use my sponge, but this is the Sleek Makeup, and look at all that fingerprints on it. That's disgusting. This is the Sleek Makeup little contour and highlighting kit. It's a cream contour kit, that's what it's called. And I am not someone who uses cream products ever, but we're going to try them out today. So I'm just going to go in with the sponge I was using to do my foundation with. And I'm going to go into the lightest color right here, and I'm just going to pick it up because I forgot to bring a brush down. And I'm going to start putting this on my cheek over here. Ooh, that already looks nice. Alright. And I'm going to blend this out as like a little bronzer just because it is a lighter color. And this video is going to be kind of like a trying out new products kind of thing. But I don't have a bunch of new products, just some new stuff. It's going to be mostly Sleek Makeup. But, okay, this cream actually looks really nice. I don't know if you guys can even see it that much on camera. But it actually like looks really nice and is blending out like so easily. I'm kind of shook actually. I don't know the price of this, but I will link all the items down below. But I'm not normally a cream girl because they are just so hard to blend out, but this is like, it's kind of really easy. I'm going to add a little bit more just because we're doing a bronzy kind of look, so I kind of want it to be like all over the cheek area. Alright, come through Sleek Makeup. I'm going to go in with the darkest color. I'm just going to use a little bit of that just because I am, you know, really light skin. And I'm going to put this right on like the jawbone area. And blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, like I keep saying this, I am not a cream contour girl. I always like cream products, cream blushes. They're so hard to use, but that was so easy. It literally just blended out so nicely. I'm kind of shook. I'm gonna be honest, like that looks really, really good. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Sleek Makeup blush, and this looks like this, and it's in the color Coral. And I'm just gonna take my blush brush and pick it up. I did use this yesterday, and I did really like it, so I'm gonna use it today and just put this on my cheeks. Alright, so I'm going to take this NYX HD powder and just take a little bit on the brush because I forgot to set my concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I really don't like setting my eyes, but I'm scared to not do it, but I really hate how powder looks on my face. I just love that blush and that cream contour. Wow, it just looks so good. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Sleek Makeup little eyebrow duo thing right here. I believe this one is like a cream, and then the other one's a powder. It does come with like a brush and stuff, but I'm not going to use that because those are tiny. But I'm going to take the brush I always do, and I'm just going to wipe it off because it does have some of my other product on it. And this brush right here is amazing. It is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks brow brush, and it's so thin and so nice. I just love it. So I'm just going to be spooling out my eyebrows, and then I'm going to dip into the cream and powder and do my eyebrows really fast because they're hard to do. Alright, so far it's working pretty good. It is like a way lighter orangey color than my eyebrows actually are, but it's working pretty nicely. Alright, so now I'm just wiping off the brush, and I'm going to be going into the powder part and doing the front of my brows. But then I'm going to switch into the Brow Gal Convertible Brow, and I'm going to go in with these shades, the dark and middle shade right here, just because like even though this product I can tell is actually like a really good product, my darker brow hairs are sticking through and it kind of looks a little weird, so I'm just going to go in and kind of fix it a little bit. But I can tell how this applies, and it actually applies really nicely. I don't know the price of this, but Sleek Makeup is very inexpensive, and you can find them at like your Walgreens, I believe, CVS maybe. But yeah, it's actually prettybomb.com so far. It is a little bit too light for me, but I really didn't have to add that much of a darker product on top. So I'm just going to take this little angled brush and I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer and just conceal up the brows. And I like really need to pluck my brows. The brow thing did come with like a little tweezers, but I'm not going to use that because plucking your brows hurts, so we're not going to do that today. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Setting Spray and just spray my face with this. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Jefree Star Cosmetics highlighter. This is part of the Manny MUA collaboration, I believe, and this is the most beautiful highlighter. I used it only once now, but my good friend Natasha got this for me for my birthday. She got me some other things that you guys are going to hear me talk about a lot and use in my videos. But this right here is so beautiful. I cannot wait to use it on camera first. But this is in the color Uranus, and I'm just going to take my brush and go into this so you guys can see the magic. Yes, I know you guys see that. Like, I have never used a highlighter this beaming in my entire life. When I used this, I was completely shook. Like, as soon as I put it on my face, I like freaked out because it is the most beaming highlighter. Like, I feel like this is what everyone's pictures look like with like this highlighter on it. I can never get my highlighter to look as good as everyone else's, and now I know why, because they know how to use the correct highlighters. And I was scared at first because this is a really dark highlighter, so I was like, it's not gonna look good on light skin. I can make it work, but it's not gonna look as good. But no guys, this works good on light skin. And look at that. I'm literally like, look like a disco ball. And that's what I like to look like. So thank you so much, Natasha, for this. I love this and I love everything else you got me, but I cannot wait to try everything else. And I am gonna go in with this sponge, and I like to go on like the edge top part of my highlighter just to kind of blend it into the skin. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this, if I can open it up. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and it's called the Reloaded Iconic Vitality, I think I said that right, eyeshadow palette, and it has like all of my favorite colors in it. I have not used this before, and I'm so excited because I love Makeup Revolution. So yeah, so I'm wiping off all of my makeup brushes, but they are a little dirty, so I'm just wiping them off, and I'm going to be taking the Morphe M504 brush, and I'm going to go into this middle color right here because it's really standing out to me as a transition color. And actually, I forgot to set my eyelids, so I'm going to blend my eyeshadow, or my concealer on my eyeshadow really quick. And then I'm just going to go into that powder we were using, just set that first, because I completely forgot to do that. Alright, so I'm just dipping into that color right there and just tapping it off. There is a lot of powder, and I'm going to be blending this into my crease. I know like a really, really long time ago I used Makeup Revolution's eyeshadows, but this was like before I knew how to do makeup, and they didn't look like anything like this. They were completely different. So this is pretty much like my first time actually using them. And so far that's blending pretty nicely. And just a heads up guys, I'm wearing two different concealers under my eyes for a different video. This is the Tarte Shape Tape on this side and the Makeup Revolution one on this side. Can you see a difference? Because I cannot. Alright, so I'm wiping off that brush, and I'm going to go into this little bit of a lighter color right here and just put that on like the more top part of that, just to really evenly blend that color. Alright, so this brush looks sturdy, but I actually have been wiping it off, and I haven't used it in forever, but I did clean it, but it kind of stains like this because I didn't clean it properly, just like a lazy clean, so this doesn't have anything on it. But I'm going to be going into this color right here just because it's really standing out to me, that beautiful like pinky color. That looks pigmented, so I'm going to tap that off. Holy crap. And we're going to start blending that into the crease. And so far, I'm like really living for that color. I don't know if I have a color that pretty. Like this color, so pretty. Alright, so I just put those eyeshadows on and blended them together. I don't want the eyeshadow to be too bold. Just wanted to show it a little bit because I'm too lazy to do too dramatic makeup today. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this flat brush, and I'm wiping it off because it does have some glitter on it. But I don't have a lot of flat brushes, so yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be picking up this champagne color in the palette, and I'm going to be spraying my brush with some setting spray before putting it on my eyelids, just because I do that with all my shimmery shadows. And I'm just going to pick it up a little bit more, and I'm just going to place this on the lid. And that color is really pigmented and really pretty. Alright, so I am like really surprised by these eyeshadows. That is so pigmented, it looks so pretty. So I'm just doing the same thing with the other eye. You guys see that? I don't even know if you guys can see how pigmented that shimmery shadow is on camera. So I'm just going to take this little brush and wipe away the smallest amount of fallout, because guys, this really did not have a lot of fallout, and I'm so shook by that. That is a big plus to me because I really honestly hate getting the fallout on camera. Alright, so I'm going to take that same brush and go into that pink color, just kind of blend those eyeshadows together real quick. And I don't know when this video will be posted, but this would be a nice little Valentine's Day makeup look as well. It's very easy, very pink and bold. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a small little brush. This is the Morphe E36 brush, and I'm just going to blend that under my eyes. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized. Alright, and with a different blending small brush, this is the Morphe 506 brush. I'm going to go in with that first transition color we used and just kind of blend it together. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics No Tug liner and put this in my waterline, and then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. This is their new like pen eyeliner thing. Looks like this, but I'm going to be doing it off camera and doing my winged liner. Alright, and so this e.l.f. eyeliner right here is just so amazing. I love this. It's decently pigmented. I really do love this. And it makes doing my eyeliner so much easier. I just love how it looks whenever I use it, and it is $2. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. mascara. This mascara is amazing. You guys already know. And I'm going to be putting this on my lashes. Alright, so I'm going to pick up this small little brush and go into that highlighter right there and just put that on the inner corner. Alright, Sleek Makeup sent me some lipsticks. Here are two of them that I brought down with me, but I don't know which color to use. I don't know if this is too pink or if this is too dark. I'm gonna go in with the pink color just because why not? But it does smell really nice. Kind of smells like vanilla. And I'm gonna be putting this on my lips, and I don't know what I'm gonna call this look, guys. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna call it a Valentine's Day look just because it's so pink, but who knows. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting this on my lips. It's just regular lipstick. Alright, so this lipstick is very bold, but it's like, it went on really easily. Like, it applied so nicely. I find like with actual lipsticks, not like liquid lipsticks, they're really hard to apply sometimes. But this one just went on so smooth and easily. Alright, so I'm just going to go back in with that flat brush and that highlighter, and I'm just going to lay this on top of the lips because why not? I'm just going to go over with the lipstick one more time because that did not blend that nicely. Yeah, I actually kind of like how that looks. It took away like this shimmer, but it made it lighter and kind of have like a different effect. Alright, so the next thing I gotta talk about is this new hoodie that I got. My mom got me this hoodie and I'm so excited. She got it for me for Valentine's Day because she's so sweet. But this is an Ellen Be Kind to One Another hoodie, and I just love Ellen so much. And I already have some of her items, but I just always wanted one of these hoodies, kind to one another, so I'm just so excited, so I had to talk about it. Alright, so yeah, that is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually really loved how this look came out. I was not expecting to go into like the pink, more Valentine's Day look, but I think I'll call this a Valentine's Day tutorial. I'll probably have to post it before Valentine's Day, of course. But yeah, I was not expecting it to come out like this, but I really love it. I'm just like, I am honestly living for this eyeshadow and lipstick together. They just look so good. And this eyeliner, all the products I used today are thebomb.com. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.